So on the morning of 29th, Patrick's mom was away on a business trip to Eldoret. So Patrick called the mom. They normally talk on a daily basis if she's away before he goes to school. So he called the mom and he asked her to request the teacher for him not to attend the cross-country event. So she did the same. She just told him, hold on, let me call the teacher and get back to you. So she called the teacher, informed her that Patrick was not to attend the cross-country event, and the teacher agreed. Then she got back to Patrick and told him, Baba, I've talked to the teacher and you're not going to attend the cross-country event. And he was very happy. He was excited as usual, a very jovial young man. And he went to school. But about an hour and a half later, the school called Patrick's mom and told her that Patrick had participated in the cross-country event, but he became unconscious along the way. So they asked, so she asked them, what are you doing to him? And they said they were administering first aid. So she requested them to just loosen his clothes and remove his watches and his shoes and his sweater. After some time, they called and they said he was not responding. So which hospital can we take him to? So the first response, she wanted them to take him to a Vineyard Hospital, Thika. But then on second thought, she just told them, take him next to Avenue Hospital, Thika. She asked whether she could send an ambulance to school, but they declined and said they were going to carry him in the school van, of which they did. And on arrival at the hospital, Patrick was already gone. He was foaming in the mouth. He was bleeding. And he had already soiled himself. As the norm, standard protocol in any hospital, before you call it in, you have to administer, some resuscitation, of which they tried, but he was pronounced dead on arrival. The school is trying to cover up their tracks a lot. And in the process, they are not being empathetic, and they are causing more, pain to the family for the sake of covering themselves. And I feel that we need to call out the right authorities, because no parent should lose their child the way Mama Patrick did. The school is the safe place where we entrust our children to the teachers. And if you're not sure whether your child will go in a school bag and come back in a body bag, it really doesn't put us in a good place. So we're calling upon the government and we are asking that we can get justice for Pati. He was a young man and very promising, but his life was cut short, and we would want to know the truth. We'd want to know exactly what happened to Pati. So I'm calling on all of us, let's stand up and hashtag justice for Patrick Bahati.